Wala nga nagpo-pressure sa'yo, pero sarili mo pinapressure mo, don't. Dapat ikaw ay number one supporter ng sarili mo. Even ako minsan, like, ikaw pa yung unang hindi naniniwala sa sarili mo. I mean, everyone experienced that. Pero you need to move on from that. Hindi dapat ma-stuck ka na sobrang tagal sa ganung mindset. Take some time, take some breather. Pag mong dire-diretsuhin, pagod yun. We got this, I got this, you got this. Sa mga working students o sa mga students na nahihirapan sa course nila, you got this, we got this, we'll get through this. If nahihirapan, face lang yan. Na nahihirapan ka din, eventually you'll get through it. Tapos ma-realize mo, oh my God, nalagpasan ko yung sobrang hirap na era na yun. Ganyan. You get through that, blooms. I've experienced so much situations na ganun. Yeah, I've always thought na I don't think kaya ko. But I'm here. So see, and you're here. So that's the living proof na you can do it. It's just the thought that's killing you na you can. Pero you actually can. Just keep swimming. Wow. Swimmer.